Hi everybody! We're here again with the new math challenge.
And what's that going to be?
We learn how to express decimals as fractions.
Wow, sounds super interesting. Let's do it.
Decimal to fraction. Introduction. Any decimal number can be expressed as a fraction. Let's convert the decimal number 0.3 to a fraction. 0.3 is the same as 0.3 by 1. We have one digit after the decimal point, that is 3. So we multiply 0.3 by 10. Since we multiply the numerator by 10, we multiply the denominator also by 10. We get 3 by 10. To convert a decimal number to a fraction, write the numerator without the decimal point. The denominator is 1 followed by as many zeros as the number of digits after the decimal point. Let's see an easier way to convert the decimal number 0.3 to a fraction. The numerator is 3. We have one digit after the decimal point. For the denominator, we write 1 and place 1 0. So the answer is 3 by 10. Let's look at another example. Convert the decimal number 2.45 to a fraction. The numerator is the number without the decimal point, that is 245. We have two digits after the decimal point. For the denominator, we write 1 and place 2 zeros. So the answer is 245 by 100. So Tiger, did you get it?
Yes, I got the concept but need to work out more exercises.